initial blends. Hey kids, let's learn blends. Blends? Blending means mixing. And here we are going to blend some sounds together. Before we blend sound, let's understand blending. If we cut tomato and carrot and mix them in a bowl to make a delicious salad, then it gives tangy taste of tomato and sweet taste of carrot too. It is called blending or mixing of something that has taste of both the ingredients. Now, same in blends. Blend is the combination of two phonic sounds in which sound of both the alphabets reflects partly or fully, like P and L together make pla. K and R together make kr. S and P together make spa. S and N together make sna. Initial blends are placed in the beginning of the word. These blends give the beginning sound to the word. Some examples: sna as in snake, ska as in sky, pla as in plate. Sna blend. Let's meet sna blend. Sa and na together make sna. Here, some pictures are there. They are missing their initial sound, and that is sna. Now, let's put sna and speak the word aloud. Sna as in snore. Sna as in snake. Sna as in snow. Sna as in snail. Sna as in snack. Ska blend. Now let's meet ska blend. Sa and ka together make ska. Now let's read some ska words. Ska and e together make ski, and adding pa to it makes skip, like ska I pa, skip. Now some more. Ska a l, skull. Ska I ma, skim. Ska I na, skin. Sma blend. Spa blend. Sva blend. Let's meet first sma blend. Sa and ma together make sma. Sma as in smile. Sma as in small. Sma as in smell. Oh, I heard a whistle of train. It's a special train with spa sound. It has all spa words. Sa and pa together make sp. Sp as in spring, sp as in sparrow, sp as in spade, sp as in spoon. Oh, it's swing. It starts with swa. Sa and wa together make swa. Now let's meet some words with swa. Swa as in swan, swa as in swim, swa as in sweet. Pla, blend. Let's meet pla, blend. Pa and la together make pla. Pla as in play, pla as in plant, pla as in plane, pla as in plum. Bla, blend. Now let's meet bla, blend. Ba and la together make bla. Some words with bla are black, blue, blade. Cla, blend. This clown is juggling with balls that have cla words. Cla as in clap, cla as in clean, cla as in cloud, cla as in clue. Cla, blend. Now ga and la together make gla. And now let's move to glittery sky. It has hot air balloons. Let's see what all they are carrying. Gla as in glue. Gla as in glove. Gla as in glass. Gla as in globe. Gla as in glow. Pla, blend. It's time to join pa and la that make pla. Hey, see? Water is flowing to the flower plant. Oh, we learned two words, flow and flower, that starts with pla. Now few more. Flew, float, flat, floor. Sla, blend. Santa is sliding on a sleigh. Oh, in this sentence, there are two words that has blend. It's sla, blend. So, when sa joins with la, it makes sla. Some words with sla blends are sleep, slab, slow.
Now try to say with me. Slow slug on a slab.
Dra, blend. Do you like to play a drum and draw a dress? Oh, which is the blend that I repeated more than one time? Yes, it is dra. Da and ra joined together and make dra. Dra as in dress, dra as in dry, dra as in drawer, dra as in drop, dra as in drink, dra as in drum. Kra blend. Hey, don't cry. I will give you crayon and ice cream. But you need to repeat few words as I say. Ka and ra together make kra. Kra as in crayon, kra as in cradle, kra as in cream, kra as in crab, kra as in crown, kra as in crow. Pra blend. Oh, today is a Friday and I am going to enjoy some fresh fruit with my friend. Can you tell what was the blend that I spoke many times in the sentence? Oh, correct! It was pra. Pa and ra together make fra, pra, fra. Let's speak some words that starts with fra. Fresh, fruit, from, fry, front. Pra blend. Do you pray daily? If not, then do pray and thank God for this beautiful world. Pray starts with pra and pra has pa and ra. So, pa and ra together make pra. Say with me. Pra as in proud. Pra as in prank. Pra as in price. Pra as in pram. Pra as in pray. Pra as in prince. Bra blend. Have you ever heard a story of a witch who comes on a broom? We use broom for cleaning the floor and the witch used it as a flying object. Isn't it strange? Oh, leave that for now and see how ba and ra together make bra. Bra as in bread, bra as in broom, bra as in brick, bra as in brush, bra as in bring, bra as in break, bra as in bright. Gra blend. Hey! Here is a merry-go-round on the ground. Ga and ra together make gra as in ground. Gra as in great. Gra as in growl. Gra as in green. Gra as in group. Tra blend. Train, train, train. Do you want to try a truck or a train? Before that, you need to know few words that starts with tra. Ta and R together make tr. Tr as in tree, tr as in truck, tr as in tractor, tr as in train.
So friends, it was fun to learn about initial blends. Now, let's move to terminal blends.